Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. It's Danny here and today I'm going to be taking you through my morning routine after using tretinoin. So if you want to see my PM routine, how I incorporate tretinoin into my skincare routine, I will link the video just above here so you can go back and watch that. But like I said, we're going to be doing the morning routine. So in the morning, the skin is quite sensitive potentially after using tretinoin, especially if you've not followed my PM skincare routine. I typically don't have particularly sensitive skin in the morning after using tretinoin, especially if I've buffered it correctly, which I show you everything in a PM routine. So now I'm going to dig straight into the morning routine and show you the products I like to use, how I like to support my skin barrier, keep it nicely moisturized and ready to go for the day. So let's get straight into it. I am dirty-faced, please forgive me, but I wanted to do this as a true representation of what it's like in the morning after using tretinoin. So let's go. So similarly to in the evening, I like to use a very hydrating, creamy cleanser. You've seen a few of my favorites. This is a new one from Paula's Choice, which I've been testing out at the moment. I'm actually really enjoying this. And I do actually prefer you to have a damp face when you apply it. So just lightly dampen my face and then take a small amount of cleanser, nothing crazy. I know I do like to go overboard with them and work this into the skin. So I like to use a creamy cleanser in the morning, especially when I've used tretinoin, just to help restore some of the moisture. And usually these cleansers have rich ingredients to help support the moisture barrier, which, let's face it, is what we're trying to do at all times, but particularly after using a strong product like tretinoin, which can break down the skin barrier and make the skin quite weak in order to get our skincare goals, which is normally why we use tretinoin. I'm particularly sensitive around the nose area, so I don't apply tretinoin there. I mean, you shouldn't really apply it anywhere around here anyway, but I still seem to get sensitivity there, so I like to make sure that a lot of the cleanser is concentrated in that space. Okay, let's get it off. Nicely cleansed, skin is still a little bit damp, which is a perfect juicy environment for our skincare products to go onto. So I'm starting off by using a Ceramide Rich Mist. This is actually a K-Beauty product that I picked up on Olive Young, so really beautiful fine mist to prepare the skin for our products. So you guys know me, I love an essence. Been using this one. This is the Anua Soothing Heartleaf Toner. This again is from my most recent K-Beauty haul, which you guys can see over on my channel. Just take a small amount, press it into the skin, face and neck. There we go. And then I like to just let things sink in a little bit before we go in with our serums. I've been loving this Barrier Rich Serum. It's got Reishi mushrooms in, and I just pop a few pumps of this onto my skin. It's nice and like watery, so I feel like it's just the perfect starter serum for the skin. There we go, looking glowy. Now, depending on how my skin is feeling and how many days I am into using tretinoin in the week, I will kind of mix up the serums I use at this point. So I have a Ceramide Rich Serum here, which I've been really enjoying. Just a really nice barrier repair serum. Of course, a brilliant vitamin C. I love this one from L'Oreal Paris. And the SkinCeuticals Phyto A brightening treatment, packed full of amazing brightening ingredients. Like I said, it just depends how my skin feels and I kind of rotate between these products. Today I am going to go in using my barrier repair serum and then use a vitamin C. There we go. Especially around the areas where I get sensitivity, here around my nose, actually the under eye. Yay! Following on with my vitamin C serum, this one's from L'Oreal Paris. It's really nice, 12%. And then we're following on with an SPF, of course. This is a brilliant one, again, from L'Oreal Paris. I love to use something that's quite liquidy in texture after using tretinoin. Of course, we're not going to forget to shake it up. Make sure it's ready for our skin. As you can see, there's absolutely zero white cast with this SPF. Super lovely, liquidy fluid that just blends into the skin beautifully. And of course, not forgetting our neck. And there you have it, folks. Super glowy, hydrated skincare. Very, very nourishing, protecting the skin barrier after using quite strong skincare products. Of course, tretinoin. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Come back for my weekly uploads. Listen to my podcast, Beauty Insider 101. And you can follow me everywhere on the internet. I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Bye.